Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please make sure you subscribe. So today I'll be doing a crochet butterfly locks. So I'm using the rubber band method. I've seen somebody do it and it seems very easy. So what I'm doing here is just parting my hair. So the front parts are going to be single rubber bands. So you guys will see as I go, but I'm going to do that. And then a little bit in the back, I'm going to do single rubber bands as well. And then I'm going to braid it down all together. And for those of you who have used the rubber band method on your hair and you don't like it, one thing I recommend is adding oil to the actual rubber band before putting it in your hair. It definitely helps with breakage.